God of War TV series is in the works at Amazon Prime Video. Video Game 2 Prime Video is a sequence I think we're going to see a lot of. You know why? Because risky content. People want to know what they're signing up for. And it's the same reason, like, you have these big ticket IPs that are able to pull people's attention. And obviously God of War has plenty of fans that would want to see a TV series version of it.
Very risky.
You think
this?
You think this one is risky? I was going to say it's not. I think you will find viewers right away because you have a built-in fan base. It's risky that you could do it wrong.
Yeah.
I mean, production-wise. I mean, if you look at all the God of War games, it's all costumes. It's all, big budget
For sure.
stuff. Like in terms of like design. And then, I don't know, it's all fantasy stuff. And then if you want to put that into like real production.
You feel like
as a
Amazon
show,
doesn't have the money for that? Or they won't spend it?
They probably do. But I'm hoping that they would go full all out budget
right.
with this. Because they would need it.
You talking about Jeff Bezos' personal checkbook?
Yeah.
That's the one they need access to? You're right. There's a lot of ways they could go wrong, but I guess I'm talking more about the business proposal that if you were going to invest, it's nice to know there's a built-in fan base.
There's already an audience for it.
Sure.
Amazon Prime Video will potentially expand their video game TV series lineup with none other than God of War live action series. In talks with PlayStation to adapt God of War as a live action TV series, the Expanse creators and executive producers Mark Fergus and Hawk Ostby, as well as the Wheel of Time producer Rafe Judkins, are all looking to join the adaptation. You're a big God of War guy, Will?
I like it.
Yeah. You think
Santa
it would
Monica Studios?
You think it would make for a good series, the storyline?
I would definitely watch it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, the pressure is on then, Amazon, because Willie Doo.
Get on it.
Willie Doo is ready
The biggest
to go.
budget.
So God of War will join The Last of Us and Twisted Metal. Oh my God, they're doing
Twisted Metal.
You remember that game?
I didn't even know that. Yeah.
Remember
the
that game?
car fighting game.
That's such a weird adaptation. Okay. Last of Us is pretty obvious.
See, that makes more sense. Like in terms of
So
budget,
obvious,
it
yeah.
just seems like a Walking Dead.
Feasible.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
Budget-wise.
And it's also, the video game is basically a movie anyway.
Yes.
So it's kind of... So this is a bunch of video game to movie transitions, adaptations taking place. And this is the latest one to get on that list.